Yeah, right. I told you that I'll get back in a week, and it's been 2 weeks. Yeah, I'll address that after some time. Yeah. So I'm just gonna quickly recap on what I've done right now, like till then, because yeah, most of the time I was kind of doing that, and sometime I might be playing with my cat, maybe, and maybe watching anime and other stuff like getting bitten by my cat, and then I had to go to hospital to get rabies vaccine twice till now, 3 more times to go. God help me, please. Nevertheless, the first thing is what I did till now. What I did till now was I made the whole website. I chose the name. I got a domain. It looks much better now. It looks much more professional now. If I press this, yeah, things are, this is the pricing plan that I'll be implementing. I need to get some testimonies after getting some users. That is, of course, I'm not gonna put fake testimonies. What did you thought? I'm not like that. Nevertheless, yeah, so this and that, you can just sign in. I am already signed in, of course, so it will take me to the dashboard. Should take me to the dashboard. Yeah, it does. And then there are other pages that I built. I know the sidebar is not completed yet, but I'll do that, I reckon. So if I go to campaigns, I use this one. Okay, campaigns, all, yeah. So when the user will, when a user will create a account basically, and they'll pay, or if they're using what to say trial subscription, whatever, they'll be thrown back to this page. You can see, look at details, and there will be more deep, what to say, analytical stuff, the graphs here and there, whatever. But right now I'll just look into this, and I need to complete the product plan. I can't go full detail on each thing. I need to make the product working, and then each step I'm gonna make it detailed. Yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, so we get here. You have your articles. Create an article. I have articles. I know the article. This so in Shiro, I didn't connect this part. So I'm gonna create a new article. Say test article, whatever. Yeah. So test article. Here it comes. And here, this is the main thing. So what it has is you have your Notion like editor over here. You can just insert any block, maybe heading, and say test. I have a lot of options over here. Pick whichever you want. You can do formatting on every stuff. If you click anything, you can just go here, lines of basic editing. Basically like Notion, all in all, right? But the main thing is AI content generation. So I might not tell you which model I'm using right now. Yeah, I won't tell you which model I'm using right now, but it works pretty well. And here are some prompt templates. If I create this, if I just generate content, it'll take some time and it'll fill this up. Yeah, done. Okay, just filled it up, and there's a typo. I didn't expect. Crazy. Cannot read properties of fallen index. Yeah, never mind. I'll look into that. This is the whole project. You can see everything. Right. It will give you basic images. You can change the images. I'll have an option to upload the images. Right now you can embed your image, right? Get a image URL, embed your image, and if you want to give AI some context of about your company or about the updates, you can just go to Twitter. It'll just scrape the content from, get the content from your Twitter or your website or from Google or from news or from whatever you want, right? I'll probably have a YouTube video option too, where it'll get the options from YouTube captions. So it will get those, it will take it as a context, and then it will create the newsletter for you as you prompted. So I've been working on this. This is not completed yet. This is just the form, does nothing, right? This is just nothing. Okay, does nothing. Can I get back? Yeah. Okay, so it does save, and the saving feature is working fine. It saves the page. You can go back, and then look into the other articles. This is your test article, right? right? So, what's the plan? The plan is okay. Goodness gracious me. The one time after weeks, I tried to record myself while being kind of unwell and sick. People are messaging me. Surprising. Nevertheless. Right. Also, I am kind of acting weird because of my fever. When I have fever, I kind of act weird. It's fine, I guess. And the fever, I did tell you that I got the fever because of my kitten. She bit me near my face when I was like muchi muchi with her, and then I had to go get some rabies shot. Yeah, and yeah, she's sleeping over there. I wish I didn't put her in my face. Nevertheless, yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's the whole update. The sign up is working, sign in is working. You can sign in using Google. Authentication part is working. This is almost the campaign part, creating the editor part. These are almost done. What you'll have to do is payments part, I guess. If I'm not wrong. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'll have to integrate the mail. I'll also have to integrate themes, which I'm currently working on. It's been a few days. So theme selection, mailing, and then there is payments. So by the way, for payments, I'm using Dodo Payments. Really good for Indian startups. I'll show you. Right? Like, I don't know. I kind of submitted my application to Lemon Squeezy, but they were like, "Oh, you don't have a product, so." We need complete details as we are registering your company in our name and we are taking your responsibility, this and that, blah 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 blah. I was like, man, you're already charging me 5% on each purchase, and plus payout is I don't know how much. Oh, by the way, if you are Indian, keep this in mind that if you are applying for Lemon Squeezy and if you get approved, I would say don't go for it. Don't go for Lemon Squeezy because Stripe payout is not available in India right now. I hope that it gets available by the end of 2025, or I don't know what time Stripe will take. But if you're using Lemon Squeezy, then you can't really you can't use Stripe payout. You'll have to use PayPal, and then PayPal will charge you extra whatever they want. So that all in all, you lose from 10 to 15, 20%. I don't know, 10% minimum at least, right? It sucks. And in that case, like I found Dodo Payment kind of really value for money. It's almost easy to set up. The people are responsive, although they are a new company, so I'm pretty sure they are being managed by introverts like me, and their responses are not that sweet by me. They don't have any salesperson, I reckon. So, yep. Nevertheless, they provided with me the API and stuff. You can also find it over here, right? Get the API. I have I have the dashboard. I have the live access. I've applied it. Gets approved within 1 day. Super easy. Okay. Yeah, right. Super easy, super fine with Dodo Payments. It is really easy. Nevertheless, besides that, the main important thing that I'm currently struggling with is surprise, getting users, getting people to talk to. You know what my plan was? My plan was I'll get particular users. I'll just go to people. I'll ask them. I'll find out people who need my product. I'll go to them. I'll ask them what you need. How can we help you? If our product will be helpful for you, will you pay for something like this? The thing is, my lack of social skills doesn't help over here. Sure, helped in the coding part, not over here. So I'm kind of stuck right now. I know the last time it was kind of really formal and stuff, but I'm being informal right now. And yeah, marketing is a big thing, man. I'm planning to do cold mailing. So yeah, cold mailing, even surveys and other stuff. So I want also I really want to onboard a co-founder if that is possible, who is good with the marketing stuff and all, handling, who knows, at least who has some experience, not without any experience, who has at least a little bit of experience on how to get things started, how to push a company from 0 to 1, right? That because whole issue of every company is that push from 0 to 1. I'm pretty sure if I started making like $1,000, forget $1,000. Even if I started making $100 a month, it'll work out. It would work out somehow. I can talk to investors and I can show them that yeah, people are using it. I need to get it better, but I need your money. I don't have any people right now. How are investors gonna believe me that I need whatever? Let's not talk about investors because those are like, they'll invest if if there are profits. If I'm thinking about profits, and of course I'm thinking about profits over here. You know what? You know how I planned this whole thing? If I may, localhost, if I go to here, I'll explain you the pricing structure. So, okay, so the basic plan, you won't have the social media integration. So I don't need to pay Twitter for the API and stuff. For the basic plan, it will be at $15 a month. You'll get the AI editor. You'll get unlimited drafts. You'll have 5,000 subscribers. You'll have 3 campaigns. We'll handle everything. Also, I'll have the option to integrate Gmail. I'll try it out. That's the plan at least. So there will be SMTP integration also. I mean, if you can't, like if I can't do Gmail, direct Gmail integration with OAuth, then you can just put in the Gmail SMTP details there. If you don't know, by the way, what SMTP is, that is, that is, the postman for your mail. So he goes and delivers the stuff to your particular, other email, whatever, right? You have your SMTP. Everyone has their own SMTP server. Gmail has their own SMTP server. So you'll just use Gmail SMTP server, and in the username, you'll give your username, and the password will give you a password and stuff. So it's kind of like the postman goes and delivers your letters, right? Simple as that. But it just delivers your letter, right? It doesn't store your letters. It's not the place where it gets stored. That is a different thing. I'm not going to explain what is IMAP and POP3. Nevertheless, right. I need people to talk to. I need people to give me feedback. I need people to tell me if my product is viable and if it is something that they'll use. And I need this advice not from everyone, I would say, from people who write newsletters, who write emails in general, who are into this email marketing business, maybe newsletter business, maybe whatever. And I'm planning, because this is more focused on newsletters, I'm planning to divert it a bit, make it a bit more broader and have email marketing, whole email solution over here. Not just newsletters, because you can also create, marketing campaigns or newsletter campaigns, whatever you want, right? Although it will be a bit different step, but as the underlying process is almost same, I guess I can tweak it out and make that extra feature built into it. But that is the plan for later me, and I don't know what's gonna happen. I really needed some money, to be honest with you, at least so that I can get started. You know why I needed money? I need money, not needed money, right? I need money to get started with this whole thing, fiasco, get some marketing people maybe. I know I should do the marketing by myself, but I need to invest on ads, man. For that, I'm gonna need money somewhat. I don't know how much it can cost. I hope I could have like at least $1,000-$2,000. That would be really good. But I don't know, right? Even if I get $1,000-$2,000, I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to take this to the next level. Because I believe in my company. I believe in this idea, and I believe it will work. But of course, I'll have to have the benefit of the doubt that it won't work. But yeah, but it should, because people need it and I've seen it. Once the product is complete, I'm gonna launch it on Product Hunt and other services maybe, and then I'll look into what I can do after that. Yep, that's all. That's all from my side. Oh, by the way, you wanna look? Wait, just wait a second. Are you cute? So this is the cutie that beat me, right? Look at this culprit. Look at this culprit. Not even interested, is she? So you bit me and you're sleepy right now. You won't let me sleep. You gave me the fever because of the vaccine. Yeah. Oh, are you remorsing yourself or are you just sleepy? Nevertheless, right. So, besides those, I'll get back to you guys on most probably next week with the updates and stuff. In the meanwhile, I did had a talk with a lot of people. I joined Y Combinator co-founder matching, the startup school of Y Combinator basically. And so besides that, I did apply for Athena PC. I'll let you know what happens. And I just joined the AMA with the founder of Athena and the founder of Contact Out. So they were really good. I met some fabulous people over there. So yeah, been networking, asking people what to do, how to do. Besides that, wish me luck. Have a great day. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, boy. Say bye-bye. Bye, boy. She's not even interested.